I'm struggling to find other examples of a community which has really seen its role as the hub of the region and been willing to invest and develop things that don't directly support it, but support the surrounding communities.
One of our biggest concerns when we knew that we were going to be in a crisis with our maternity model was that patients were going to have to travel. So what was important to us is to look at how do we ensure that we create a sustainable maternity model where patients weren't traveling far to get the care that they required.
I've worked in Tumbler Ridge for the last 30 years or so, and I've learned that what is good for Dawson Creek is good for Tumbler Ridge. So one of the things that sets Dawson Creek apart is this Chickadee clinic, which was developed under the leadership, I think, of Dr. Magda du Plessis, who just somehow appeared on the scene and as if from nowhere and took charge and just has given everything. I don't quite know how she manages it, but Chickadee is part of her legacy here, and it embodies team-based care. I think Chickadee is a shining example of how it can be done and can be exported to other parts of BC as well.
So Chickadee Maternity Collaborative came about when the community was in crisis, and we needed to come up with a way that we can have sustainable services in our community. We formed a task force that looked at what we can do to change services and continue having obstetrics in our town.
We are a team-based care model of practice, which means that we're a whole team. There's myself, I'm the only registered midwife, and then we have some registered nurses, front of house staff, we have physicians, and an obstetrician gynecologist that works out of this same office. And I love it.
I just wanted to touch a little bit about what Chickadee means to our community in the region. And you know, it's such an amazing thing that the peace of mind it gives to our local families.
Dawson Creek created this thing called the Baltras House, but the amazing thing is that this benefits Tumbler Ridge, it benefits Chetwynd, it benefits surrounding First Nations communities. It doesn't directly benefit Dawson Creek.
Baltras House is a great amenity for the entire Peace region. Many northern rural communities rely heavily on Dawson Creek and District Hospital. So we provide accommodations for those who travel to Dawson Creek for medical treatment and care.
So I'm just so delighted to see Dawson Creek recognized for what it has done and for receiving this really very prestigious award. And I'd just like to congratulate the Mayor and Council and Dr. du Plessis and the whole team and everybody that's been involved in doing such wonderful things in Dawson Creek.
What they have created and given back to Dawson Creek, they've listened to our community. Everything they've been doing is really truly about what's right for the healthcare system, what's right for the patients, what's right for the community, the region.
I truly want to congratulate Dr. du Plessis, Chickadee, and the team, and the City of Dawson Creek for this award. I am so proud of everything that you have done to make your vision a success.
We thank you for the opportunity for giving us this award. Unfortunately, I have to go because our job is delivering babies, and that's where I'm off to.